Welcome, beloveds. This is Hearts in Motion, a partnered Tantra dance meditation for sacred connection, deep presence, and moving love through the body. You don't need to know how to dance. You only need to be here, together, present, open. This is not about performance. It's about attunement, listening, in devotion, with your body, your breath, your beloved. Let's begin. Face each other in a comfortable standing or seated position. Close enough that your knees almost touch. Let your hands gently rest on each other's heart. Now take a few deep breaths together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Feel the presence between you. 2 heartbeats, 1 field. Open your eyes softly. Begin a gentle eye gaze. Not staring, just witnessing. Look into the soul of your partner. See them as sacred. Feel yourself being seen. You are not here to fix or impress. You are here to be real, open, connected. Let your breath begin to synchronize now. Inhale together. Exhale together. Breathe as one. Now bring your foreheads together, lightly. Let your palms connect, heart to heart. Let this be a prayer in touch. Begin to move your hands slowly, softly. Palms sliding, caressing each other. Let your touch say, I see you. I honor you. Explore each other's arms, shoulders. Move gently, curiously, with reverence. This is heart-led touch, no goal, no agenda. Only presence. Only love in motion. Let the breath remain soft, connected. Let your movements stay slow and intentional. Now, step or kneel back slightly and face one another fully. Let one person begin to move intuitively, slowly, like liquid. The other mirrors the movement. Let your arms flow, hips sway, chest open. No right or wrong, just feeling. After about a minute, gently switch roles. Now the other leads, and the first partner mirrors. You're now dancing each other, feeling each other's breath, rhythm, essence. Now blend into a co-created dance, both moving freely together. Like waves, like breath, like 2 hearts in rhythm. Let your hands connect again. Or your bodies. Let the connection be soft and true. You are one rhythm. One moving prayer. Let your movement gradually slow. Come into a sacred embrace, standing or seated. Hold each other. Not to possess, not to grip, but to melt, to surrender. Feel your partner's heartbeat. Feel your own. Let your breath be shared, inhaling as one, exhaling as one. You may sway slightly, like trees in wind, or simply rest in stillness. Whisper inwardly, I am here. You are safe. We are love in motion. This is presence in partnership. This is Tantra. Slowly release the embrace. Return to facing each other. Place your hands together at the heart, in Anjali Mudra or palms against each other. Look into each other's eyes one more time. Let gratitude flow through your gaze. If you feel called, you may speak a blessing to your partner. A whisper of thanks. A vow. A truth. Or you may simply bow your head and feel the energy of what you just shared. Let this stillness seal the practice. Let love linger. Thank you for sharing this sacred dance. For showing up with your body, your breath, your presence. If this touched you, return to it often. Every time you want to reconnect, deepen, or celebrate the love that moves through you. Like, share, and subscribe to keep dancing the tantric path with us. You are love. You are rhythm. You are divinity in motion. Namaste, beloveds.